Hi, I'm Scott from Eli-Chem Resins. Welcome to our Resin Art Academy, Surrey, England. So today we're going to show you an exciting new breakthrough in resin pigments. Our cell-based range has the ability to self-activate and form lovely cells. It will add to the effects you can create. We use it just like a normal pigment, mix it in with the resin. The only difference being just using it as a base colour. We'll show you some techniques using cell-based, swiping, dragging, and moving with heat. So we're going to take our cell base, mix it with a little bit of our MasterCast resin. We'll put that on as our base colour. We'll then take resi-TINT MAX to use as our top colour, swipe that over, create some really cool cells. Let's get busy. Right, so we're ready to go. We're working with MasterCast, as we know, ASTM certified non-toxic. We are still observing good industrial hygiene. So I've got my apron on, I've got my gloves on, as it's sticky, so I want to keep it off my hands. Now, I'm wearing glasses. If I wasn't, I'd have safety goggles on. Cell base was developed using MasterCast 1:1 as the binder and resi-TINT MAX as the pigments for the top colours. This pigment has no silicone and no alcohol in it. This means there will be no oily residue or dimples on the surface afterwards. We'd encourage you to use MasterCast 1:1 resin. For best results, you need to work at a steady pace with no breaks between steps. So, we will be mixing a little of our cell base with our MasterCast resin, which will be our base coat. We're then going to use resi-TINT MAX as our top colour to swipe over the top. First, I'm laying my cell base down. You'll notice that I've got my top colours ready before applying the cell base. This is because we want to minimise the time between applying cell base and pouring your top colours. Now I'm putting my top colours on. Once you pour your base layer, the pigment starts losing reactivity. Don't wait too long before adding your top colours. As soon as your top colours are down, it's time to swipe. I'm only going to swipe once in each area because if I go over the same spot again, I risk losing my beautiful cells. If the top colour is too thick, the cell base will struggle to break through and activate. As I'm doing the swipe, I'm trying to use very light pressure. All I'm trying to do is get a thin layer of the top colour over the cell base. This gives me the best chance of really nice cells. Adding heat will help more cells to form. For best effect, use a contrasting colour. For example, with a white base, use a dark or a bright top colour. Simply drag your top colours around and watch the base pigment activate itself. It can take up to a minute for the cells to appear, so be patient and watch cell base work its magic. For best results, we'd encourage you to use MasterCast 1:1 resin and resi-TINT MAX with your cell base. However, you can use other brands, but results may differ. So there we go. Hope that's given you a pretty good insight as to how to use our new cell-based technology. I reckon you're going to have loads of fun with this. We've got 10 colours in the range at the moment. That's going to be expanding in the future. Everything that I've used today will be in the description below. If you want to place an order, you can do so from the Eli-Chem website or your country's stockist. That's everything from me. See you in the next one.